The first thing that you need to do is to simply go to YouTube, and then you just have to click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then simply go to YouTube Studio, and then from here you just have to go to content and look for the video that you want to import. Now, if you click on the three dots here, you can simply download this to your computer, and then after that you can open Capcut, click on import, then go to downloads and then choose the video. And now we have our video. But if it's someone else's video and you want to import it in Capcut, you just have to open any browser and search for YouTube to MP4, and then click on this link here, and then simply copy and paste their YouTube link. So you just have to go, so I'm going to my channel just to show you how to do that. So we just have to go to the video, click on the three dots, then click on share, and then copy. Now let's go back here, paste it, and then click on start. And now we just have to wait until this loads up, and we will be able to download this to our computer. So we can do this with any type of videos. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.